Hello, here with you again, preparing for going to SM. Mag-grocery na naman ako. Kaya samahan niyo ako. Bye. So, kain muna kami dito, guys. Waiting for the orders. Tapos na ako lahat, guys. Uuwi na kami. Thank you for watching. Yan lang po. Bye!